Positive affirmations don't only help us to get closer to English fluency, to become a fluent English speaker, but also it helps to energize. These affirmations also help us to be motivated throughout our English language learning journey, and we don't feel like giving up, and we just keep doing it. So if you are the also one who wants to be a confident English speaker, and despite putting lots of effort, still you get stuck somewhere, okay, then this video will definitely help you. You need to do only one thing. You are supposed to watch this video till the very end. Yes, friends, this is my small request. If you really want to see the changes in yourself within couple of months, then you are supposed to stick to this video till the very end, because these are those affirmations which has helped me to come so far, which has helped me to get fluency. And because of these positive affirmations, I don't sabotage myself from getting closer to any opportunity, from facing my fear. So if you are interested, then let's dive into this video. Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Hope you are doing well, and I Shoda welcome you all on my YouTube channel English with Dehati Ma'am. Since friends, I mentioned in my previous video about positive affirmations, how to rewire our subconscious mind with the help of positive affirmations. So because of some viewers request, I have come up with some positive affirmations to make our journey, to make our English language learning journey easy for us. Yes, friends, these are the positive affirmations which has helped me so far to accomplish my goals on daily basis. And therefore, I have come up for you. It is a requested video. Therefore, I feel really very blessed that I am here. I am able to impart my knowledge with all of you. You know, friends, what happens most of the time, a language learner, despite putting lots of efforts, they always get stuck. They always feel they are not good enough. They always keep reminding themselves, because only one thing keeps going in their mind. Some thoughts always keep going in their mind, that I'm not good enough. I can never ever be able to express myself. I make lots of mistakes. People laugh at me. People criticize me. Or I am not a confident speaker. I always hesitate while expressing myself. Because of all these negative thoughts, we are just sabotaging ourselves. It's just like self-sabotaging. So we just need to change these thoughts with positive affirmations, so that on daily basis, regularly, you can come closer to your goal. And to be honest, it's not so hard. It's not so hard. It's very very easy. And you know, friends, why we should repeat these positive affirmations on daily basis. And in this video, I'm also going to tell you one very important rule, one very significant important rule to repeat these positive affirmations. These positive affirmations are significant part of learning any particular skill. If first you have to set a particular skill that you want to develop, that you want to brush up, and then as per your skill, you have to set some affirmations, positive affirmations, which can help you to be motivated, which can help you to energize yourself. And because of these affirmations, we can really do what we really want to do. Because many of the people, they have accomplished their dreams, biggest dreams, even the impossible ones. Then why can't we? We are just here to learn a language. So learning English is not a Herculean task. We just need to make our mindset. Our mindset matters. So I'm here to help you to change your mindset, to rewire your subconscious mind. You just need to follow some rules. So the first rule, which is really very important, that you have to wake up early in the morning. Try to wake up early in the morning, from between 4 to 6. In between that time, you can wake up. And after waking up, after getting fresh, then give yourself some time. You just need to go in nature. You can go on the terrace, okay? You have to give yourself your time. Just sit properly, keep your spine straight, and start deep breathing. Try to inhale deeply or exhale deeply. You have to repeat this at least 3 times, and then you have to repeat these positive affirmations. There are not several rules that you have to follow. It's really very simple. Deep breathing can help you to get changes in your whole personality, because these days, nowadays, I have been using this technique to change my perception, to change my personality, and to change me overall. So okay, now I'm not going to beat around the bush. Now I'm going to take you to these positive affirmations. So here I'm going to share with you all these positive affirmations. I am a fast learner. I am a fast learner. Every day my English is improving. Every day my English is improving. I am confident when I speak English. I am confident when I speak English. I learn new words and use them naturally. I learn new words and use them naturally. English comes to me with ease and flow. English comes to me with ease and flow. My mistakes are stepping stones to fluency. My mistakes are stepping stones to fluency. I enjoy the process of learning English. I enjoy the process of learning English. I understand more English every single day. I understand more English every single day. Speaking English feels natural and effortless to me. Speaking English feels natural and effortless to me. I am proud of my progress in English. I am proud of my progress in English. English opens new doors and opportunities in my life. English opens new doors and opportunities in my life. I am a fluent English speaker. I am a fluent English speaker. I speak English effortlessly. I speak English effortlessly. I speak English effortlessly. And it is my humble request, yes, it is my humble request to please repeat these affirmations at least twice a day, so that you can get closer to your goal. And literally, it will help you. Within 3 months, will find, you will see different changes in yourself. It will help you to unleash your potential, to unleash your power. And then you can use your potential and you can make the most out of it. And with this thought, with this intention, I would like to say bye bye, because I have many things to do. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep repeating these positive affirmations, and keep thriving. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.